Sziasztok, hi everyone, I'm Sándor, welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Let's talk about the interrogative milyen, because although there's an English equivalent to this, it doesn't tell the whole story. Not even close, actually. So basically, milyen means what kind. Some sources state that we use this word to ask about adjectives. And yes, for the most part, it is true. When we start our question with milyen, most of the time we can answer with an adjective. But again, that's not really the whole story. But in general, we ask milyen when we are curious about the attributes of a thing or a person. So most of the time we expect some sort of a description as an answer. The tricky thing is that in general, this interrogative is translated as what or how in English. Mostly how. Let's see some examples. Milyen az idő odakint? Milyen az idő odakint? How's the weather outside? See, you can answer with adjectives. It's cold, it's hot, it's good, it's bad, whatever. But your answer doesn't necessarily have to be an adjective. You can also reply with esik az eső. Esik az eső. It's raining. So your answer doesn't have to be an adjective. When we ask the question, we expect to get a description about something or someone. Milyen volt az utazás? Milyen volt az utazás? How was the trip? Again, you could answer with adjectives. It was good, it was long, it was tedious, whatever. Milyen nehéz megtanulni magyarul? Milyen nehéz megtanulni magyarul? How difficult it is to learn Hungarian? We already have an adjective here, nehéz. Nehéz. So you can answer, it is very difficult or it is not difficult at all. I would say it is difficult, but it's definitely not impossible. Milyen magas vagy? Milyen magas vagy? How tall are you? Yes, we use milyen to ask about someone's height as well. Milyen érzés gazdagnak lenni? Milyen érzés gazdagnak lenni? How does it feel to be rich? I have no idea, but again, it can be answered with adjectives. Milyen az új autóm? Milyen az új autóm? How's my new car? Again, it can be cool, lame, whatever. But ladies, check this. Milyen a hajam? Milyen a hajam? How's my hair? If you happen to have a Hungarian boyfriend, this might come in handy. It's a good question to start fights with as well. You know what? Don't ever ask this. Milyen hideg az Antarktisz? Milyen hideg az Antarktisz? How cold is Antarctica? Yes, we also use milyen to ask about how hot, how cold and stuff. Now, as I mentioned, milyen sometimes also gets translated as what in English. When we are talking about colors, for example. Milyen színű az autód? Milyen színű az autód? What color is your car? It can be blue, yellow, green, whatever. Or, chocolate in Hungarian is csokoládé. Csokoládé. But since this word is too long, we just call it csoki. Csoki. So let's say your mom bought a big bar of chocolate. She needs to go to the bathroom, and while she's there, you eat all of it. Then she comes back and asks, hol van a csoki? Hol van a csoki? Where's the chocolate? Now you need to look as innocent as possible and ask, milyen csoki? Milyen csoki? What chocolate? This you can use in so many situations. Let's say your boss comes into your office asking, hol van a jelentés? Hol van a jelentés? Where's the report? Milyen jelentés? Milyen jelentés? What report? Again, look very innocent. Or let's say you hang out with a friend and suddenly he starts speaking a foreign language you've never heard before. You can ask, te most milyen nyelven beszélsz? Te most milyen nyelven beszélsz? What language are you speaking right now? Or ladies, when you get invited to a party, you might think, milyen ruhát vegyek fel? Milyen ruhát vegyek fel? What clothes should I wear? But of course, milyen sometimes can be directly translated as what kind or what kind of. For example, milyen ember Peter? Milyen ember Peter? What kind of a person is Peter? You know, describe Peter to me. Or, milyen állat a bálna? Milyen állat a bálna? What kind of an animal is a whale? You know, many people think that whales are fish, but they're actually mammals. Or let's say you see a fruit you've never seen before. Ez milyen gyümölcs? Ez milyen gyümölcs? What kind of fruit is this? Or let's say you have a guest over at your house and you want to offer him or her a drink. You can ask, milyen italt szeretnél? Milyen italt szeretnél? What kind of drink would you like? You know, alcoholic, non-alcoholic, fizzy, not fizzy. Or, you know, I come from a very poor family. And my poor mom used to sometimes ask this. Milyen élet ez? Milyen élet ez? What kind of life is this? You can also ask things like, milyen kutyád van? Milyen kutyád van? What kind of dog do you have? So again, when we ask milyen, usually we expect some sort of a description as an answer. Probably that's the best way to describe its usage. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you all for studying with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, my PayPal information is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Sziasztok, a viszontlátásra!